Hello everyone, today we're going to be assembling this Tacklife fire pit table. So as always, we're going to go ahead and take everything out of the box, lay it outside so we can tell exactly how many pieces and parts there are, if we're missing anything, and just go through all the parts to make sure that we are good to go. So we're just taking everything out, but as you can see, everything is very nicely wrapped. All the parts are in individual boxes or separated by styrofoam, so there's less chances of an impact during transit and when the product is in shipment. So when we got it, literally there's nothing, no scuff marks, no dents, nothing on it, because I know it looks like wood, but it is not wood. So this is everything that came with it. It does actually come with lava stones as well, so that is amazing. You literally get everything you need except the propane tank. So we're gonna go ahead and put everything together, use these nuts and bolts, and get right to it. So we're gonna begin by putting on this base together. So this is where the propane tank sits. We're gonna put the straps on it. So once everything is assembled, the propane tank goes right there in the center, and then we secure it with the straps. And the base itself is pre-assembled. It does slide in and out, so when it goes under the table, you're easily able to slide it out and put the propane tank on it and then slide it back in. But that comes pre-assembled. We didn't do any of that, which is amazing. Now we're gonna go ahead and start putting the table together. So these are the two sides, and you're gonna need another person to come help you. So right there, I'm coming to help my husband. I'm just holding the sides, and he's gonna go ahead and put the top half of the table on it. So once you have the frame assembled, it's gonna be a lot easier to just put the screws in. So just put them through lightly, don't screw them in fully yet, and then once everything is in its proper place, then you can go ahead and secure and tighten everything together. So this is the sidebar, and we're going to go ahead and put that in, make sure that it's nice and tight and secure, and then you can go ahead and do that with the rest of the screws that you had put in previously as well, just to make sure that everything is tight. And then we're going to go ahead and put the tabletop on it. So we're just bringing that over and putting it on top of the table, make sure that it sits properly, because we will be going in later and connecting everything together using bolts and screws. So you just have to make sure that it sits in the right spot, and maybe you need some help to bring it over. So we're going ahead and putting the screws, and once that is done, the table is ready. We're removing the tape so that we're able to remove the fire pit cover. And once you take that plate off, that's what it looks like, and you can just go ahead and put the lava stone right there. So as I mentioned, the propane tank base can be slid in and out, so we're just taking that base out and putting the propane tank on it and going ahead and securing it with the straps. And we installed these at the very beginning of the video, so we're just putting that on and then sliding it back in. Very smooth, very easy. And then we're just going to put the door back on and close it. Alright, we're ready to light it up. Just press the spark plug and you're good to go. This is what it looks like. Absolutely love it. It can be used as a dining table, but it also is a fire pit table. I'm stoked that I can use this as a fire pit and a dining table.